The days start early. I'm usually up before the sun comes up, and it wouldn't be anything to catch me, watching a lecture while I'm making breakfast. I'm attending Pierpont Community and Technical College to try to get my Certificate of Applied Science as a paramedic student. Ultimately, I'm working to get my associate's degree. I've been an EMT for the past few years. It's stressful sometimes, but I'm proud of what I do. My dad was a firefighter, so I got to grow up seeing how he impacted the community. I like that every day is different. I like that whenever I go to work, it feels like I'm not even going to work. It feels like I'm going to have an impact. Having this flexible schedule option that I can have my classes in the evening, it just seemed like a no-brainer that it could fit right within my life. So whenever I was looking for a place to go, I didn't want to sacrifice the quality of education I was getting, but I still wanted to stay local. Bridgeport to Clarksburg is not that far of a commute, so whenever I was looking at what programs were available to me, it just seemed like the most ideal fit that I could stay here and have my classes in the evening. Pierpont Community and Technical College offering the flipped classroom option where I can watch my lectures throughout the day online and then getting into the classroom and actually having hands-on experience with the instructor. I think it's invaluable to my education. Whenever you come into Pierpont as an EMT already, you only have a 12-month program that you have to work through. So we just started our clinicals and our ride time. I'm looking at about 9 more months to get my certificate. Those early mornings are totally worth it.